Carey is an American singer, songwriter, producer, and actress, widely regarded as one of the greatest vocalists in music history. She gained international fame in the early 1990s and is known for her five-octave vocal range, melismatic singing style, and signature use of the whistle register. Often referred to as the Songbird Supreme, Mariah is one of the best-selling music artists of all time, with over 200 million records sold worldwide. Mariah Carey made her debut in 1990 with her self-titled album Mariah Carey, which produced 4 number-one singles on the Billboard Hot 100, Vision of Love, Love Takes Time, Someday, and I Don't Wanna Cry. Her blend of pop, R&B, and gospel influences, along with her incredible vocal abilities, made her a standout figure in the music industry. Mariah Carey's notable achievements: five-octave vocal range. Mariah is celebrated for her extraordinary vocal abilities, particularly her whistle notes, which few singers can achieve. 19 Billboard Hot 100 #1 hits. She holds the record for the most #1 singles by a solo artist, including iconic songs like Hero, We Belong Together, and Fantasy. All I Want for Christmas Is You, 1994. This holiday classic has become a global phenomenon, reaching #1 on the charts multiple times, especially during the holiday season, and is one of the best-selling songs of all time. Songwriting and production. Mariah co-writes and co-produces much of her own music, with a keen focus on melody, harmony, and emotional storytelling in her lyrics. Career highlights. 1990s. Mariah became one of the biggest pop and R&B stars, releasing hit albums like Music Box, 1993, Daydream, 1995, and Butterfly, 1997. 2000s. She continued her success with the album The Emancipation of Mimi, 2005, which produced the massive hit We Belong Together, and marked a major career comeback. Awards. Mariah Carey has won 5 Grammy Awards, 19 World Music Awards, 10 American Music Awards, and 15 Billboard Music Awards, among many others. Legacy. Often credited with popularizing the use of melisma in modern pop music, Mariah has inspired generations of singers, particularly in the genres of pop, R&B, and gospel. Acting and media. In addition to her music career, Mariah Carey has appeared in films like Precious, 2009, where she earned praise for her acting performance, and Glitter, 2001, a cult favorite that was initially a critical and commercial failure, but has since gained a dedicated fan base. Mariah's impact on music and culture is immeasurable, and she continues to be a major force in the industry, with frequent concert tours, residencies, and new music projects. That has been all, everyone. I hope that you liked this video. Please do always support this channel by hitting the like button, follow and subscribe. Always remember that music heals our soul. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, and see you in my next video.